Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to share a manga female avatar to you. And this manga avatar is a CC4 avatar, a character creator 4 avatar that created by me. It is really a CC4 avatar that you can change their clothes in character creator 4. You can change the morph as well. You can morph this avatar. Just for example, you can just adjust the morph. So this is a real CC4 manga avatar. And then it is compatible with the character creator 4.2, sorry. It is compatible with the character creator 4.3 and above and later. And also it is compatible with iClone 8.3 as well. The older version of the software are not compatible, so make sure you go and update your character creator 4 and iClone 8 to the latest version in Reallusion Hub. Alright, next I'm going to show you actually how to make this to become the manga shader. You can see this is really like the manga, the Japanese anime manga style, but how to make it become this shader. I'm going to show you from the beginning. I create and start a new project, and then you can just go to my video description to download my manga female 02. I already put a link at there. And then of course you need to have the iClone 8.3. And let's have a look. You download it as an iAvatar, drag the iAvatar into the iClone 8. Then it is going to load the texture and shader. Just wait for a while. Now you can see this is the iAvatar and how to make it become the manga shader. First you have to go to the visual, go to the shadow, just untick the shadow. Next step, just go to toon shader and tick the toon shader. Then here choose the texture color, and the next go to the scene. Then for all of these lights, just deactivate it, deactivate all the lights. Next go to the visual, click here, the IBL. What you need to do is just go and find a white picture, a totally white picture like this. Drag and drop the white picture into the IBL to replace the IBL, then increase the strength of the IBL. Then it will become the manga style shader. So now everything looks like the manga. Then if you want to have more manga, you can just go to my video description, click the second link, download more iAvatar, CC avatar created by Freedom. Once you click into that, it will show you the iAvatar CC avatar here. Actually, I already created a few manga long time ago, like this one, the cartoon female 01, but this is not the CC4 avatar, this is the non-standard iAvatar. The CC4 avatar is at here, the first manga anime in CC4 that created by me. I'm the first one, so always remember. And this is the manga anime female 02 that share today. So you can check the previous one and download it as the base. The manga anime avatars, a guy and a girl, previously. So for today's ones, you can just click into download CC4 Manga Female 02 by Freedom. Click into this link. It will lead you to my official site. Just click the download. Then it will load as a Gumroad here. Then next, put a fair price. You can donate some money to me as well if you like. You can enter certain amount, or you can just put it free 0.00 and click I want this. Then it will lead you to the download page there. It is really simple and easy. Alright. That's all for today about my sharing of the Manga Female 02 as the CC4 avatar. And it is free for you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorials and sharing, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharing, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy! Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and 3D game developing. See you!